Luxury, speed, and cutting-edge tech. If you want it all in one sleek package, the 2026 Tesla Model S might just be your next dream car. It's fast, futuristic, and more refined than ever. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we cover the vehicles redefining what it means to drive. Design. At first glance, the 2026 Model S doesn't scream for attention, but look closer, and the design speaks volumes. Smooth lines, flush door handles, and an aerodynamic profile keep things clean and modern. This year's update brings subtle refinements, slimmer headlights, new wheel options, and a slightly reworked rear end that feels just a bit sharper. Performance. Under the skin, this car is a beast. The dual-motor version offers instant torque and a 0 to 60 time that rivals most supercars, while the Plaid trim is still a jaw-dropping powerhouse, accelerating from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Handling is tight, ride quality is smooth, and with adaptive air suspension, it's comfortable in just about any situation. Features and technology. Inside, the Model S is all about minimalism and high-tech functionality. The 17-inch central display is crisp and intuitive, and the rear passengers now get a screen of their own. Tesla's latest infotainment system runs smoother than ever, with improved voice controls and customizable layouts. Full self-driving capability continues to evolve, with better lane handling, city navigation, and driver monitoring features. And yes, it's still getting over-the-air updates. Your car keeps improving even after you buy it. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model S proves that performance and luxury don't have to be opposites. It's fast, futuristic, and still ahead of the curve. If you enjoyed this review, tap that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts on Tesla's latest updates, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more smart takes on the cars shaping the road ahead.